Okay, so this video is going to be about continuity and discontinuity. A graph is said to be continuous if there are no holes or breaks in it. So this first graph that I'm looking at is continuous because if I were to travel along it with a pencil, I wouldn't have to pick up my pencil anywhere to trace it unless I didn't know how to trace it. So there are no graphs or breaks, or there's no holes or breaks in this graph. It's completely continuous. So this particular graph has continuity. This graph does not have continuity because if I wanted to trace this graph, I would have to pick up my pen and move it to another part of my graph. So this graph has what they call is discontinuous, but because it has a special type of discontinuity, it has an asymptote in between these at x is equal to a. So this has what it's called infinite discontinuity. This happens anytime I have an asymptote. This graph is also not continuous. It has discontinuity because I have to go trace it here and then I jump up to this part and I continue to trace. I don't have an asymptote because I have a value for A because I have an open circle, so this part right here doesn't have a value for A, but I have a closed circle, so this part does have a value for A. So, but when I graph it, it's not connected in the middle. So because it's not connected in the middle, this is called jump discontinuity. This is hardest to see on a graph. Especially when I graph it in my calculator. But this looks pretty much like it's continuous, but you see how it has a hole in the middle? So this is point discontinuity, or it's called removable. So it can either be called point discontinuity because there's a point that's missing, or removable because it's like a point was removed from the graph itself. So removable discontinuity. Okay, so I have 3 examples here, and I'm going to look at these 3 graphs. If I look at the first one, it's clearly not continuous, so I need to figure out what kind of discontinuity it has. I'm jumping from one part of the graph to the other, so I have jump discontinuity. And I need to know where it's discontinuous. So I have jump discontinuity, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at x is equal to -5. My second graph, if I look at it, I don't have any discontinuity because I can trace the whole thing. So my second one is continuous. My third graph is clearly not continuous, but I don't have any holes and it doesn't jump, so this one has an asymptote, so this one has infinite discontinuity. And I need to figure out where that asymptote is. So it's where these 2 graphs don't meet. So I'm going to kind of zoom into that one just a little bit. So let me get rid of what's on top of it. And let me zoom into it just a little bit so I can figure out where my continuity is, or my infinite discontinuity is. So it looks like I'm at this line right here is my asymptote. So that's x is equal to 1 is where my asymptote is. I'm going to zoom back out so that we can see all of that now. I'm going to try to anyway. Okay, so now we can see where I have my continuity and where I don't. Okay, we're going to look at these 3 graphs. My first one, if I look at it when I run my pencil over it, there's no breaks, there's no gaps, so this one is continuous. My second graph has one spot, one point that is not continuous because there's a hole there. So this has point discontinuity. Okay, my next graph has two parts of discontinuity. I have an asymptote here at x is equal to 2, so x is equal to 2 is an asymptote. And then I also have a hole, so I also have a point discontinuity. So I have two things. I have infinite discontinuity, at my asymptote of x is equal to 2. So at x is equal to 2. And then I have point discontinuity as well. And that looks like, so 1, 2, 3, 4, at x is equal to 4. Oh, so I need to go back over here and I need to put where my point discontinuity is for this one. 1, 2, 3. So x is equal to a negative 3 is where my point discontinuity is for the for number 5. So remember, I have 4 cases. My first case can be continuous when I have no breaks. If I have one spot, removable or point discontinuity. I can have jump discontinuity. And I can also have infinite discontinuity. Now, very rarely will I have more than one in the same place, and if I do, it's usually going to be to mix point discontinuity in with something else. But those are my different types of continuity and discontinuity.